This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in today's video I will show how you can factory or hard reset this tablet through its recovery mode. So first you will need to completely power off your tablet and plug it into your computer, of course. Make sure that it's wired in. So in order to switch it off, long press the side power button or the combination of volume down and side power buttons if you have Bixby enabled. Then switch off or power off the tablet. Wait until it will disable all the way. Now simultaneously press and hold the volume up and side power keys like that, and let them go once you see the Samsung logo. So the logo appeared. I've released both buttons here, and now we should be booted directly into the recovery menu or Android recovery. Here use the volume rocker to navigate and power key to confirm. So select the wipe data / factory reset option, then tap over here, factory data reset, and now simply wait for this process to be finished. Now we can reboot the system, and once we will, you'll see the initial system setup menu, and we have the separate video on how to run it, how to perform and set your system up during its initialization phase, should I say. So if you have any troubles with the following step, or you're just curious on how to do it right, check that video out. As for now, let's wait for this initial setup menu to appear, so we'll know for certain that the hard reset procedure went successfully. So here is your system setup. So that would conclude this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.